Jai Hind children, we are going to start the new chapter, that is alcohols, phenols and ether. This chapter consists of three areas, that is, one is alcohol, another one is phenol and the last one is ether. What do you mean by ether? Ether means if the hydrogen atom of a hydrocarbon, the simplest hydrocarbon we know is methane. From methane, if one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by alkoxy group means, actually alkoxy group means OR, alkoxy, or the resultant compound is called ether. Suppose if the hydrogen atom of a hydrocarbon is replaced by aryl oxy means OAR, then also the resultant compound is called ether. So, ether means hydrogen atom of an alkane. Hydrogen atom of an alkane or alkene is replaced by alkoxy or aryl oxy group. Then we are getting ether as the product. So, ether means if the hydrogen atom of an hydrocarbon is replaced by alkoxy or aryl oxy group, then the resultant compound is called ether. Similarly, if the hydrogen atom of an aromatic ring, already I told you aromatic ring means benzene ring. So, benzene ring, if the hydrogen atom is replaced by OH group, then the resultant compound is called phenol. Phenol is the aromatic alcohol. Similarly, if the hydrogen atom of a hydrocarbon is replaced by hydroxy group, OH group, then the resultant compound is called alcohol. So, alcohol means the hydrogen atom of a hydrocarbon. So, hydrocarbon means CH4 is hydrocarbon. One hydrogen atom is replaced by OH group. The resultant group is called alcohol. Hence, alcohol may be represented as ROH. Example for alcohol is CH3OH. So, alcohol normally represented as ROH. ROH means alkyl alcohol because R indicate alkyl group. So, alkyl alcohol. Phenol means it is normally represented as AROH. So, AR indicate aryl group. Aryl group means the only group which we are studying is benzene. So, if we are putting OH group on benzene, then name of the compound is phenol. It is called phenol. Ether normally represented as ROR dash. ROR dash. R and R dash are alkyl group. Example CH3OCH3 is an example. This is the functional group for ether. OH is the functional group for alcohol and phenol. Classification of alcohols. See these examples. The first alcohol which is given is CH3OH. Second one CH2CH2, both having OH group. CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. The basic difference between these alcohol is the first alcohol contain only one OH group. The second contain two OH group. The third one contain three OH group. Based on the number of OH group attached or present in an alcohol, alcohols are further classified into monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, trihydric alcohol, etc. So, on the number of OH group present, alcohols are classified into monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol and polyhydric alcohol. So, similarly, phenol also. This contain only one OH group. This phenol contain two OH group. This phenol contain 3 OH group. Thus, Based on the number of OH group present, phenols are further classified into monohydric phenol, dihydric phenol and polyhydric phenol. The classification of alcohols and phenol based on the number of OH group present, phenols and alcohols are further classified into monohydric phenol, dihydric phenol, trihydric phenol, tetrahydric phenol, etc. But normally we are telling monohydric phenol, dihydric phenol and more than 2 OH group is present. They are called polyhydric phenol or polyhydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols are further classified based on the hybridization. So based on the hybridization, monohydric alcohols are further classified into compound containing sp3 hybridized carbon and compound containing sp2 hybridized carbon. sp3 hybridized carbon means they are the single bonded compound. Carbon which carries the functional group OH group is a single bonded carbon. This sp3 hybridized carbon or this is further classified into primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. See this carbon, this is the carbon which carries the OH group. If it is attached with another one carbon atom, then this carbon is called primary carbon. Now see, here one bond, here one bond. Carbon must have 4 bonds, therefore the CH group. So the carbon which carries the OH group is attached with only one carbon atom or CH3OH, no other carbon atom, then this is called primary carbon. Hence this alcohol is called primary alcohol. So primary alcohol means the carbon which carries the OH group is attached with only one carbon or no other carbon. This is the carbon which carries the OH group is attached with 2 other carbon. So 1, 2, 3 bonds are present. Here one H. So the carbon which carries the OH group is attached with 2 other carbon means it is secondary carbon. Hence this alcohol is called secondary alcohol. See this OH, this carbon which carries the OH group is attached with 3 other carbon. Here the carbon is surrounded by 4 bonds, therefore no need of H. So this alcohol is called tertiary alcohol. So CH2OH comes, it is primary alcohol. CHOH comes, it is secondary alcohol. COH comes, it is tertiary alcohol. The sp3 hybridized carbon, that is alcohol which containing sp3 hybridized carbon is further classified into allylic alcohol and benzylic alcohol. What is allylic alcohol? The carbon which carries the OH group is attached with double bonded carbon, then this carbon is called allylic carbon. So allylic carbon means the carbon which carries the functional group is attached with double bonded carbon. Now this carbon is called allylic carbon and this alcohol is called allylic alcohol. So allylic alcohol means the carbon which carries the functional group is attached with a double bonded carbon. Suppose the allylic carbon is attached with 2 other carbon. For example, CH2 double bond CH, here CH2. From there we are removing one hydrogen, instead we are placing CH3 OH. Now the carbon which carries the OH group is attached to the double bonded carbon, therefore it is an allylic carbon. But this allylic carbon is attached to 2 other carbon, so it is called secondary allylic carbon or secondary allylic alcohol. So here the carbon which carries the OH group is attached with the double bonded carbon, therefore it is an allylic carbon. That allylic carbon is attached with only one carbon, so it is primary allylic carbon. So primary allylic alcohol, this is secondary allylic alcohol. COH, CH, double bond CH, that is the carbon which carries the OH group is attached with a double bonded carbon. Therefore, it is an allylic carbon. Suppose if this allylic carbon is attached with 1, 2, 3, 3 other carbon, then this allylic carbon is called tertiary allylic carbon and this alcohol is called tertiary allylic alcohol. Alcohol which containing sp3 hybridized carbon is further classified into two types, allylic alcohol and benzylic alcohol. So allylic alcohol means the carbon which carries the OH group is attached with a double bonded carbon. Allylic alcohols are further classified into primary allylic alcohol, secondary allylic alcohol and tertiary allylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol. So benzylic alcohol means the carbon which carries the OH group is attached to an aromatic ring. So the aromatic ring means the only ring which we are studying is benzene. The carbon which carries the OH group is attached with an aromatic ring. Here this carbon is surrounded by 1, 2, only 2 bonds. The remaining 2 are hydrogen. Carbon which carries the OH group is attached to a aromatic ring, then that alcohol is called benzylic alcohol. That carbon is called benzylic carbon and the alcohol is called benzylic alcohol. So in the benzylic alcohol, the benzylic carbon, this carbon is called benzylic carbon. So here CH, OH, so we replace one hydrogen by CH3 group. Now the carbon which carries the OH group is attached with an aromatic ring, so therefore it is called benzylic carbon. But that benzylic carbon is attached with 2 other carbon, here also carbon, here also carbon. Now it is called secondary benzylic carbon and the alcohol is called secondary benzylic alcohol. Here the carbon which carries the OH group is attached with an aromatic ring, therefore this carbon is benzylic carbon, it is attached to only one carbon. Therefore, it is a primary benzylic alcohol, it is the secondary benzylic alcohol. Suppose we replace this hydrogen by another one CH3 group, then the carbon which carries the OH group is attached with an aromatic ring, therefore it is a benzylic carbon. That benzylic carbon is surrounded by 1, 2, 3 carbon atom. Hence, it is the tertiary benzylic carbon. So, what is benzylic alcohol? Benzylic alcohol means the carbon which carries the OH group is attached to an aromatic ring. That benzylic alcohol also further classified into primary, secondary and tertiary based on the benzylic carbon. Alcohol containing sp2 hybridized carbon. Alcohol containing sp2 hybridized carbon. So, sp2 hybridized carbon means double bonded carbon. That is, the carbon which carries the OH group is double bonded. Then the alcohol is called vinylic alcohol. What is vinylic alcohol? The carbon which carries the OH group is double bonded carbon. Then it is called vinylic. See this, here also, if the OH group is attached here, the carbon which carries the OH group is double bonded. Therefore, it is also an example for vinylic alcohol. What is vinylic alcohol? The carbon which carries the OH group is double bonded, then it is called vinylic alcohol. Classification of ether. Here functional group, this is the functional group, this is the functional group. The alkyl group associated with the functional group on either side is same. Here the alkyl group attached on either side is different. If the alkyl group attached on either side is same, then that ether is called symmetric ether. Then that ether is called symmetric ether. Automatically, if the alkyl groups are different, then it is called unsymmetric ether. Unsymmetric ether. So ethers are further classified into symmetric ether and unsymmetric ether. What are symmetric ether? The alkyl group attached on either side of the functional group is same, then it is called symmetric ether. The alkyl group attached on either side is different, then it is called unsymmetric ether. See this ether, one side benzene ring is present. Here the two sides of the functional group benzene ring is present. Here no benzene rings are present. So based on this, ethers are classified into aromatic ether and alkyl ether. Here only alkyl group is present. So it is an alkyl ether. But this ether contains only one aromatic ring. So if an ether contains only one aromatic ring or two aromatic ring, then it is called aromatic ether. So ethers are classified into symmetric ether and unsymmetric ether. Symmetric ether means the alkyl group attached on either side of functional group is same. The symmetric ethers are otherwise called simple ether. They are called simple ether. If the alkyl group attached on either side is different, then it is called unsymmetric ether. Unsymmetric ethers are otherwise called mixed ether. It is called mixed ether or complex ether. If any one of the group attached to the functional group is aromatic, then that ether is called aromatic ether. That's all about the classification of alcohols, phenols and ethers.